In the world of innovation, how could emerging technologies transform our lives for the better? Emerging technologies are defined by their blend of radical novelty, rapid growth, and powerful impact. Here's an example of an emerging technology in action. I'm Emma, Director of Horizon Dynamics. I asked myself the same question at a critical moment for our company. To adapt to global market changes, I decided to incorporate AI, energy-saving technologies, and trusted autonomy into our operations. We integrated predictive algorithms to prevent system failures, drones to inspect our production lines, and training programs to empower our employees. This transformation not only gained us an edge in the market, it helped us to reduce waste, optimize resources, and make the company more sustainable. It's given me proof that traditional industry practices and innovation can coexist. With each advancement in technology, I can see how we're building a better future, not just for Horizon Dynamics, but for generations to come. Shaping tomorrow, the positive impact of technology on society.